Good morning, 10th class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 5 and name of the chapter is Periodic Classification of Elements. In this chapter we have total 3 subtopics: making order out of chaos, early attempts, then about Mendeleev periodic table and then modern periodic table. This part we have already completed related to Daubernier triad and Newland's law of octave. And this about Mendeleev we are going to deal today. Mendeleev's periodic table. So here this is our second topic from chapter number 5, making order out of chaos, Mendeleev periodic table. 3 subtopic we have already completed in the first topic, and this one is the fourth, this one is the fifth. Fourth one is Mendeleev periodic table, about all these related to Mendeleev, and then home assignment number 2. So here is our Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table about law. The table includes law also. इसके अंदर आपके पास law भी हमको देखना होता है. So Mendeleev periodic law. Here the written statement is the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. इसमें हमारे पास दो चीज़ें हैं. The properties of elements की properties like reaction with hydrogen, reaction with oxygen, reaction with some other metals. राइट. सो प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ एलिमेंट्स किस तरीके से रिएक्ट करते हैं, उनकी क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं. आर द पीरियोडिक फंक्शंस ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मासेस. मतलब जब हम उन्हें मासेस के बेसिस पे अरेंज करेंगे तो फिर रिपीटिशन, पीरियोडिक मीन्स देयर इज रिपीटिशन ऑफ फंक्शंस रिपीट होते हैं. राइट. सो हियर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स रिपीट्स व्हेन वी अरेंज देम on the basis of their atomic masses. This law was given by D.I. Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. And here, what is written means what work was done by Mendeleev. Elements were arranged on the basis of their fundamental property, the atomic masses, and also on the similarities of their chemical properties. Elements को arrange किया गया किसके basis पे? Atomic mass के basis पे and chemical properties के basis पे. अब इसमें आप देखोगे वी आर टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ योर बुक, टेक्स्ट बुक. आपके पास क्या है यहाँ पे? लाइक हियर ये मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल है, दिस होल, एंड हियर द नंबर फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवन्थ, एट्थ. दिस वन, दिस vertical line is known as group. Okay, so how many groups are there? 1 to 8. Right? How many groups are present in Mendeleev? Total 8. And how many periods? Periods means horizontal line. So period number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many periods are present here? 6. 6 periods and 8 groups. Right? तो यहाँ पे Mendeleev ने क्या किया? He arranged elements on the basis of their atomic masses. देखो आप हाइड्रोजन, then lithium, beryllium, boron. 1 मास है, इसका अप्रॉक्स 7 है, एंड हियर 9, 10. ये किसके बेसिस पे अरेंज है? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मासेस. अब देखो यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन है, फ्लोरीन के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है? सोडियम, देन सोडियम इज रिपीटेड हियर. राइट. सोडियम हमने यहाँ नहीं लिखा है, कहीं 9th कॉलम में नहीं लिखा है. सोडियम हमने यहाँ क्यों लिखा है? बिकॉज देयर इज रिपीटिशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज. सोडियम प्रॉपर्टीज आर मैचिंग विथ लिथियम प्रॉपर्टीज. देयर रिएक्शन विथ ऑक्सीजन, रिएक्शन विथ हाइड्रोजन, उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज मैच करती हैं. आप लिथियम का फॉर्मूला अगर यहाँ से बनाएंगे, रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन, ये क्या है? R2O. तो लिथियम के केस में क्या बनेगा? Li2O. हाइड्रोजन के साथ क्या बनेगा? LiH. R की जगह आपको क्या एलिमेंट्स लिख रखने हैं. अगर आप सोडियम डालोगे तो क्या बनेगा? Na2O, NaH. अंडरस्टूड. अब वही जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिलिकन के केस में क्या बनेगा? R की जगह आप क्या डालेंगे? Si. सो हियर Si और O की जगह O2. सो SiO2. अगर हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करवाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा? SiH4. दीज आर द रिएक्शंस ऑफ सिलिकन विद ऑक्सीजन एंड सिलिकन विद हाइड्रोजन. अब सिलिकन जैसा करेगा, कार्बन भी वैसा ही करेगा. कैसा बनाएगा? सिलिकन की जगह आप क्या डालने वाले हो, या फिर R की जगह आप क्या डालेंगे? C. सो CO2 एंड CH4. राइट. ये सारे के सारे वैसे ही प्रॉपर्टीज शो करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड. So this was about Mendeleev periodic law and table. Vertical columns and groups. I have already told you. Vertical columns are 8 and horizontal rows. That means periods are 6. Next, about achievements of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table and named Ica boron, Ica aluminum, Ica silicon, right? At the time of Mendeleev, only 63 elements were known, right? So some of the gaps he left, like here, Ica boron. Here boron is here present. So he left some gaps, like here boron. This gap was left. Below aluminium, this gap, and silicon, this gap. Okay, ये gaps उन्होंने छोड़ दिए. He left these gaps and he named, because this one is present below boron, so this one is known as Ica boron, right? Ica boron, and then Ica aluminium, and here Ica silicon. Understood? So later on the place of boron, what is discovered there? Gallium, right? This position is Ica boron, Ica aluminium, and Ica gallium. So on place of boron, there is the discovery of scandium, and on place of aluminium, there is discovery of gallium. On place of silicon, there is discovery of germanium, right? So these properties are matching, right, with boron, aluminium, and silicon, right? So this was the achievement of Mendeleev periodic table. Then number second is, some of the elements are not arranged in increasing order of atomic masses, like cobalt and nickel. Cobalt is 58.93 and nickel is 58.71. So just look here in the book, cobalt and nickel 58.93 and 58.71. So this one is greater and this one is smaller, but these two are not arranged according to in the order of increasing atomic masses. Understood? Number third is, after the discovery of noble gases, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order, right? So here, as you know that 8, right? But as you're observing noble gases like we have helium, neon, argon, right, krypton, like this. These are noble gases, these are inert gases, right? They are not present. क्या आप देख रहे होगे, all these elements are not present in any of the column, right? Because they were not discovered at that time. But after the discovery, they are placed in a new column. 8 column, वो किस में place किए गए? 9 column, without disturbing the existing order. So again, this one is the discovery. This one was the achievement of Mendeleev periodic table. Understood? So, and then about limitations of Mendeleev classification, there are total 3. No fixed position can be given to hydrogen in the periodic table. Yeah, as you know that hydrogen shows metal as well as non-metal character, so no fixed position is given to hydrogen. Number second is, no fixed position can be given to isotopes. आपको पता है isotopes किसे कहते हैं? Where atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different, right? Mass number 12, mass number 14, right? So और table हमारा किसके basis पे है? On the basis of mass numbers, right? So here carbon 12, I think carbon is here, and 12, carbon 12, mass of carbon is given here position, but what about carbon 14? Carbon 14 को तो जगह नहीं मिली. Okay, so there is anomalous, right? There is no fixed position given to isotopes. Then the third limitation was, some of the elements were arranged in order of increasing, some of the elements were not arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. The same example, cobalt and nickel 58.93, 58.71. These are not matching, right? ये पहले होना चाहिए था, ये बाद में होना चाहिए. So this one is the limitation of Mendeleev classification, right? Then here the same is mentioned here also, right? यहाँ पे हमारे पास achievement क्या था? Here cobalt and nickel, cobalt 58.93, 58.97. This one is not in the order of increasing atomic masses, but the sequence, this sequence cobalt and nickel, this one is matching with modern periodic table sequence, right? तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये limitation था, लेकिन आज के ज़माने में क्या है, ये achievement है, because this mismatched system, not on the basis of mass but on the basis of numbers are matching in today's time. So here this one is the achievement, as well as you can say that this one is one of the limitation also of Mendeleev classification. Then next topic, subtopic 5 is home assignment number 2 from your science textbook, chapter number 5, page number 85. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to do, submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.